Okay, so welcome back everybody. Lolana on Solana. What a crazy name. I love this name. Now, before we go about Lolana on Solana, the meme token with amazing name, alright, and how you can get into the private pre-sale, into the public pre-sale, what's coming in the next couple of days, let me just give you some updates from Galaxi Nodes, what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. This project right here on Lolana on Solana, they are trial token, did 80x, 8,000% in the last, what was 26 till January. Right here, what's today? February 3rd, in a week time, all right? 80x in a week time. This is crazy, and this was airdrop for everybody who went into the private sale right here in Lolana on Solana. Now, before we go there, let me give you some updates for Galaxy Nodes, and we're going to come back here and I'm going to explain you how you can get in. Now, Galaxy Engine Nodes, I'm going to do my giveaway here, will be Wednesday or Thursday, all right? So if you bought the node, and I'm going to have big AMA with these guys on Wednesday, the 7th of February at 4 p.m. my time, UTC time, my time, in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join, okay? I'm going to have one of the big team members. I think the team member will be, I think one lady right here. Let me just see this one, CCO, okay? So she will be join my Telegram, and we're going to ask her a lot of hot questions. Now, this Galaxy Nodes has been exploding. They already sold over 4,363. I still think it's very early. Till this is sold around 7,000-8,000. We're still getting a couple of hundred tokens per day. The launch is not even out yet. Again, it costs $700 on Matic chain, on Polygon chain. You need USDT. Make sure you use my code. The only way to get in is by using my code. And if you decide to join, this is the code what you need to use, MEXGV1M. All right. Now I'm going to do giveaway 6 times $50 each for everybody who use my code. Now, to get eligible for the wheel airdrop, all right, you need to fill the form. Now, before we go there, make sure you understand this, just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is crypto, you can lose everything, okay? This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now, the form will be down, all right? So this will be lucky wheel for all members, I need to spell this correct, who use the code, my code, to get the node, all right? Make sure you only fill your address if you ever got a note from me, so I can add you for the wheel, lucky wheel. All right, so let's go now back to Lolana. Oh, and just to mention for Galaxy Engine Nodes, okay, these guys, this is huge. I did a lot of videos. Go and watch them. Go and watch my video. I did a big deep dive. So they have NFT for Mike Tyson NFT collection. They have for Steve Aoki, and they have for NBA. That's crazy. They raise, okay, so look, they have over 222,000 NFT sold, over 32,000 Ethereum on the secondary market. And the CEO, by the way, the CEO is the first guy who invented the Bitcoin cash machine in Asia. How crazy is that? All right, so let's go back on Lolana. So Lolana is coming from a very good team who is very popular in the crypto DeFi space. His name is Seven. Now, I've been chatting with him for the last 2 years, to be honest, on and off, and he decided to come with a meme token. And hey, I say yes, great. You know, I want to get in. Now, the good stuff here is you can only invest 1 SOL, okay? 1 SOL, no more, no less. So what you need to do if you want to get into the private pre-sale, okay, into the public pre-sale, you need to fill their form, their Google form, okay? Add your address there, and make sure you're first on Tuesday. When is the pre-sale? Will be this Tuesday. That will be the 6th of February, okay? So why I like this project? So the name is amazing, Lolana on Solana. So everybody who get into the private pre-sale, what was sold only in 6 minutes, they raised 80 or 100, I think 80 Solana. Okay, I went in and they dropped us TLLN token for free. It was just like just an experiment token. Who did 80x, 8,000%? That is sick and that is crazy. All right, of course I took my profits, sold, buy, and I make a little bit profits. You know, you can only invest 1 SOL and you get some tokens for free. Most people sold right here and then just blow up. Why did blow up? Okay, from yesterday, from right here, blow up to right there, like 8x just yesterday, 8-9x. Why? The reason why being is what they say is everybody who hold 600 of these tokens, 605 to be precisely on this token, okay, you're going to get free airdrop of the token coming Lolana. All right, so if you hold any of this one, the snapshot will be taken Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure what time and what exactly date, and that will be given free tokens from Lolana. Now make sure you understand the risk of that. Once the snapshot is taken and the people understand that, this will drop a lot. Okay, so you can see people, the momentum was yesterday, blow up a lot, people sold, taking profits, go up and down, you know, so do whatever you want. Do you want to get in and hold for the snapshot, or do you want just to go into the private pre-sale, or just go when the token is launched? So this is for Lolana. Okay, the links will be in the description. Join their Telegram group. Their Telegram group have over 700 real members. And in, let me see, 713 real members in just like 10 days time, and that is impressive. Okay, that is crazy. You can see people buying, people selling, and all this stuff, and the token is not even out yet. Okay, there was 701 they announced, and it was today at 9 o'clock, and now it's 7:13. There we go. So guaranteed spot alert. Okay, so make sure, okay, you give away. By the way, I'm not sure if I'm going to give away one or not. I'm not sure if I'm getting one or not, but if they give me, I'm going to announce in my Telegram group one spot for guaranteed for people. Now make sure you understand here. All right, fill this form. All right, fill this form wherever it is. Somewhere here is the form. Fill the form, add your address there. Make sure you're ready for the pre-sale. Once the pre-sale is done, okay, they will announce when will be the launch of the token. There will be after a couple of days, after 5, 6, 7 days. I don't think it will be more than a week. Now, and I understand, everybody who hold the TLLN token, the airdrop will happen after the launch of the real token. Okay, few minutes after that, few minutes. Okay, that's what I understand. But the best thing is make sure you come here and you check this out. Okay, check their Telegram. Okay, that's about it. The link will be in the description for the Lolana on Solana, and also for one of my favorite Galaxis nodes. Right, make sure you join the AMA on Wednesday, because there will be a lot of hot information, and fill the form if you used to get some of my notes. Okay, have a wonderful day wherever you are. God bless, and see you till the next one. Goodbye.